In this video, I'm going to show you how to bunny hop in Chained Together. So firstly, make sure that you know that this will take a bit of practice, okay? Even the pros aren't 100% consistent with it. However, you can get pretty consistent if you just practice a bit. But as I said, it's worth it because bunny hopping makes you a whole lot faster, and some parts of the game are completed much easier by bunny hopping. The first thing I would do is change the settings. So you want to go inside settings and click on binds, and then inside jump over here, what you want to do is I would change that to either one of the mouse buttons or the mouse wheel. Okay, so I usually have it on mouse wheel down or up, depending on when I'm playing, and then on the right mouse button. Okay, so that's how I would do, and then I would press save settings. That's it. And then the second one is to simply start practicing. So what you want to do is run, and while you're running, you want to jump and then shift your mouse to the right, or either right or left, so it doesn't really matter. And then right the millisecond before your feet or your toes hit the ground, you want to press the jump button again. And then you will see you'll get that bunny hop effect. So it's not going to work since the beginning. So when you start, it won't work. But when you get the hang of it and you kind of try it out, you'll see that you'll get better and better at it. So the easiest way to learn this is to run and then simply jump left or right. So just jump to the left or to the right, and then as soon as your feet touch the ground, jump again, okay? So actually right before your feet touch the ground, not as soon as, okay? And then once you get a hang of it, you just have to run and then shift your mouse left and right with each jump. So go to the right and then to the left and to the right, to the left again, and then each and every single time right before you hit the ground, what you want to do is press your jump button yet again, and you'll see that you'll get that bunny hop effect. And then just keep practicing, and that's it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel.